Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete Netflix account. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address option, enter here netflix.com. This will take you to the official web page of Netflix. Now, scroll down and tap on Help Center option. Now, tap on this what you need help with option and enter here delete account. Tap on this how to create, change or delete profile option and then tap on read article option below. Scroll down and tap on delete our profile option. So here you can see that from a web browser you can go to your manage profile option, and then in the Netflix app for Android phone or iOS you can tap the profile icon to manage your profiles, or either after that you can choose a profile you want to delete and then select profile. And if you cannot delete your profile from your own profile, then you can go to netflix.com on a web browser and then follow the steps. Or either the next step could be to go back and then tap on this search bar help center option once again, and then enter here delete account, and then tap on read article below, tap on account deletion, tap on deleting your Netflix account option, scroll up. So here you can see that you can either cancel it instead, and canceling your membership means that you can come back to Netflix in the next 10 months to restart your membership. Your profiles being preferences and more will be waiting for you. But if you want to delete it permanently, tap on this permanently deleting your account using a Netflix mobile app or game. And here you can see that for this you need to open the Netflix app, and in the upper right corner you can tap your profile icon and then tap on account in the menu, and on the settings you can tap delete account. So this is how you can permanently delete your Netflix account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you and guide you through the process. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.